Hey everybody, Jen Ramos here at Mosaic Hair Studio Milk District. We are really excited to launch our new Style Tip Tuesday. I'm going to be the first one to do this, and this is what we do on our own hair. This is how we work with our own hair and how we use professional products on ourselves. So you guys are going to get a quick glimpse at the blue line, which is now out in R+Co. And so I'm going to use their hypersonic heat styling spray before I do flat iron curls, because these are the things that people ask me all the time. How do you do flat iron curls? So I'm going to show you that really quickly. And the first thing that I do is I section off the top part of my hair. Now, I will be honest with you, I work really early in the morning, so I shampoo at night, and then in the early morning, I just get up, roll out of bed, and come to work, honestly. So it either dries on its own or it gets a little blow dry every now and then. But so I do the spray, and then I take the flat iron in and I turn it and I pull it out just like this. Ta-da! And then we get that nice little wave. Nice little wave. So the edge of the flat iron is what gives you that beach wave. Ta-da! And then I'm going to repeat that on that top section. A little mist of the heat styling spray. A little comb. Flat iron in, turn it on its side, pull it up, and repeat. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna speed this up so you guys can see it all the way through. I'm gonna stop talking for a second and I will see you at the end. So that was it. My flat iron was set at 380 degrees. If it can cook a pizza, you probably shouldn't use it on your hair. So don't go above 375, excuse me, or 380 when you're styling with your flat iron at home. And then I'm gonna finish with the Cult Classic Flexible Hairspray, also blue, R+Co, brand spanking new. One of the great things about this line is that everything in the line, including the packaging, is from sustainable resources. So for instance, the packaging is made from sugarcane-based plastic. So everything biodegradable, gluten-free, vegan, cruelty-free, the whole 9 yards. So just do a quick little run my fingers through it. Happy hairspray, happy styling, and that's it. So, Style Tip Tuesday, happy holidays, see you guys soon. Thanks, bye.